Alright, I'm out and about to do a trail camera pickup. And we're just about to get to the stream to see how that looks. It's been kind of weird. Rainy then not, so it's a toss-up. Let's see. There's the bridge. Looking pretty full. Geez, not too long ago, it was really inviting to go swimming in here. Not now. It's already started to cool off. Crazy. All right, let's see what else we can find on this walk. I'm taking my iPad this time, so it's kind of big. But it takes good video and photos. It's just a very versatile tool, I tell you. It really is. Let's just stop and make sure there's no deer. 'Cause I'll come out here and I'll think there's no deer and I'll be walking around and boom, there goes one running. No, don't really see a lot of mushrooms this year. Not in Maine. It's kind of odd, but oh my gosh. I didn't pick my lion's mane that I found last time I was here. And wow, they got huge. Let's go check them out. Do you see them? Wow. I might pick them and make them and eat them. Oh my gosh, they're going to be so good. They really got big. Oh, wow. I am like thrilled. That's a lot of, wow, lion's mane. There's even more up there. A little one up there. He ain't too big. Oh, wow. All right. You know, hold on. This is my hand, all right? Look at this thing. And that's just one. Wow. I'm definitely picking these on my way back. Yep. That means I'm going to have to put my iPad down. Yep. All right. Off to the food tree. I'll be back.